Upgrade your garage with some of the most innovative inventions designed to boost efficiency, organization, and convenience. From high-tech tools to smart storage solutions, these gadgets can transform your workspace into a more functional and productive environment. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want to keep things tidy, these inventions are game changers for any garage. Parking slider. Many homeowners face a common issue. There is technically enough space in the garage for 2 cars, but maneuvering them in and out becomes a challenge. This is particularly frustrating in countries like the United States and the United Kingdom, where car ownership per capita is among the highest in the world. To solve this problem, a company has introduced the parking slider, a smart system designed to maximize garage space. With a do-it-yourself installation kit, it can be set up with a friend in just a few hours. The system is engineered to handle up to 2,720 kilograms, making it suitable for most vehicles. It operates with a half-horsepower motor, ensuring smooth and effortless movement. If the standard model does not fit your specific needs, the manufacturers also offer customized solutions. Whether for personal or commercial use, this innovative parking solution makes efficient use of space and simplifies car storage. Powerbuilt 3-in-1. Some brands use the 3-in-1 concept for coffee or shampoos, but Powerbuilt takes it in a whole new direction with this innovative tool. Priced at $240, this creeper is designed to make automotive work easier and more comfortable. It transforms to suit different needs. The first function allows smooth movement under vehicles without hassle. The second makes working under the dashboard more comfortable, preventing awkward positions. The third feature is a detachable knee pad, offering a cushioned surface instead of kneeling on hard concrete or asphalt. A strong steel frame supports up to 181 kilograms, ensuring durability. The 6 wheels are strategically placed, fully utilized in one mode but retracted in another to improve stability. This design makes it a practical tool for those who frequently work on cars, offering convenience and comfort in a single package. Grid Pro. Now let's talk about a tile system that feels like some thing straight out of a home improvement show. Grid Pro tiles offer a quick and efficient way to transform rough, old, or grimy concrete surfaces in just a few hours. Designed with convenience in mind, these tiles easily connect by hand, making installation simple and tool-free. Durability is a standout feature. These tiles are resistant to oil, gasoline, acids, alkalis, and solvents, ensuring long-lasting performance even in demanding environments. They can also withstand temperatures of up to 120 degrees Celsius and boast an impressive compressive strength of 215 bar, surpassing some types of concrete in durability. Whether for personal garages or commercial spaces, Grid Pro tiles provide a robust and stylish flooring solution that is both practical and visually appealing. Vroom Retract Vac. Need to vacuum your garage and everything in it? Meet the Vroom Retract Vac, a smart and space-saving solution that integrates seamlessly with existing dust extraction systems or vacuum cleaners. Unlike traditional vacuum hoses that are bulky and cumbersome, this innovative design automatically retracts after use, eliminating the hassle of untangling and storing hoses. With a length ranging from 9 to 15 meters, the hose provides extensive reach while taking up minimal space. It is compatible with various nozzles, making it a versatile tool for different cleaning tasks. In fact, with multiple hoses, you can even set up a custom home cleaning system for ultimate convenience. No more dragging around a heavy vacuum or dealing with messy cables. Vroom Retract Vac makes cleaning effortless and efficient. Big Boy Washer Pro. This premium car wash system comes with a hefty price tag of $1,000 United States dollars, but it offers features that justify the cost. Unlike many high-powered washers, it operates at under 80 decibels, making it one of the quietest options available. That is about the same noise level as a strong vacuum cleaner, making it far less disruptive than traditional models. Built with brushless induction technology, this system is designed to last up to 4 times longer than standard pressure washers. It delivers a pressure of 130 bar, a flow rate of 9.5 liters per minute, and supports water temperatures of up to 60 degrees Celsius. These specifications ensure powerful and efficient cleaning, whether for personal or professional use. It is impressive to think that this company was founded by a car enthusiast with no prior experience in manufacturing. Despite that, the Big Boy Wash-R Pro has gained recognition for its performance, durability, and innovative design, making it a solid choice for those who take car cleaning seriously. Unifox. Unifox has created a truly versatile tool designed to make life easier in car workshops, and soon it will be useful for truck workshops as well. This innovative device serves two key functions. First, it helps carefully unstuck a wheel from the hub when it's difficult to remove, and second, it identifies joint play to clearly communicate any issues to customers. Made for wheel sizes ranging from 550 to 800 millimeters, Unifox is incredibly easy to use. It can be installed in seconds, offering efficiency and convenience in every task. The tool is designed with a long handle, which not only saves time and muscle power, but also ensures that your rims stay safe from any damage during use. Unifox is a great addition to any workshop, offering both time-saving capabilities and a practical solution for wheel and joint inspection. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast, this tool provides real value without the hassle. In the magical world of Harry Potter, the spell Lumos creates a light at the end of a wand, illuminating the surroundings. While we don't have wands in the real world, BTAG's lighting systems offer something just as magical. This innovative tool is designed to help automotive professionals quickly spot dents and other flaws with ease, making it a game changer for any vehicle inspection. What makes this system even cooler than Lumos is its adjustable color temperature, allowing you to customize the light to suit the specific color of the car you're inspecting. Whether you're working with dark or light-colored vehicles, this feature ensures clear visibility, making flaws easier to identify. A full charge offers 10 to 12 hours of use, and despite its power, the system weighs less than 2 kilograms, making it light and portable. It's like having a magical wand from the world of technology, designed to elevate your inspection process and bring precision to your work. Here's another practical lighting solution for your workspace, the Litastix LS36 SMD. While there's no magic involved, the 36 LED bulbs provide impressive illumination, making it a reliable tool for various tasks. With 6 hours of runtime on a single charge, this work light ensures you have enough light to get the job done, whether you're in the garage or out in the field. The polycarbonate housing is designed to withstand shocks, ensuring durability in tough environments. It features swivel mounts and built-in magnets, allowing you to easily attach the light to metal surfaces for hands-free use. For added convenience, you can also attach it to a special frame, making it incredibly versatile for tasks like working under a car or even during a fishing trip. This functional tool is available for $105, offering excellent value for its portability and rugged design, perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. Finkbeiner FHB 3000. If you're in need of a car lift that can handle vehicles up to 3 tons and can be operated by just one person, the Finkbeiner FHB 3000 is the solution you've been looking for. This lift is packed with features that make it stand out in both convenience and safety. One of its key advantages is the smart design, which allows you to open the car doors at any height, providing flexibility for easier access. The safety system combines both hydraulic and mechanical components, ensuring a secure lift every time. The car can be raised up to 1.8 meters, and the entire process takes around 40 seconds, whether you're raising or lowering the vehicle. The clever rack design makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from vans to vintage cars, and even compact models like the Volkswagen Beetle. Whether you're working on regular cars or special projects, the Finkbeiner FHB 3000 offers the precision and versatility needed for the job. MyLifter 2.0. Introducing the MyLifter 2.0, touted as the world's smartest, easiest, and best-looking garage storage system. According to the creators, this system is built to lift loads of up to 45 kilograms, making it perfect for storing bikes, lawnmowers, and other bulky garage items. What makes this system truly unique is its modular design. It works like a Lego set where different platforms can be combined to fit your needs. For bike enthusiasts, there's a specialized kit designed to lift up to 3 bikes at once, freeing up valuable space in your garage. And for those with a removable hardtop on their car, there's even an option capable of handling up to 200 kilograms, ensuring your garage remains clutter-free without compromising on function or style. The MyLifter 2.0 combines convenience, strength, and flexibility in a sleek and modern design, offering an efficient storage solution for all types of garage needs. Bike lifter. Motorcycles are more compact than cars, but transporting them can still be challenging. With 44 million units sold in 2020 alone, tools like the bike lifter are essential. This stand simplifies the process of placing motorcycles in truck beds and maneuvering them in garages and workshops. For example, the Japanese version of this tool comes with a kit that includes 2 wheels and a bearing, measuring 545 by 275 millimeters, and it is priced at 112 United States dollars. Additionally, it is also useful when working on car wheels, making it a versatile tool for a variety of tasks. The bike lifter offers a practical solution for easily handling and transporting motorcycles and vehicles, saving time and effort in the process.